How to onboard with Wcart. From your dashboard, click the Set Up My Store button. This will launch the Store Setup wizard and take you to the Store Location page. On the Store Location page, begin by selecting your country. After filling in the required information, click Save and Continue. You'll be redirected to the General Settings page. Here, you can configure your store's basic information. Start by entering your store name. Next, upload your store logo. A clear, high-quality logo helps customers recognize your brand. If required, upload a favicon. Next, add a website description. Next, enter your website address. Now, configure your customer support information. Enter your support email address. Then provide your phone number and WhatsApp contact number. Scroll down to the Search Engine Visibility section. Enable this option if you want your store to appear in search engine results like Google. Once everything is correct, click Save and continue to proceed to the next step. Next, navigate to the Store Address Settings section. Start by entering your store name, store address, landmark, and PIN code. Store region and store contact, and click Save and continue to proceed to the next step. On the Select Theme page, you'll find a collection of professionally designed themes that you can use for your storefront. Browse through the available themes. Once you've found a theme that matches your brand and business style, click the Save and Continue button. Now let's configure the email service. Choose your preferred email provider. Enter the required SMTP information, including SMTP, host port number, username, password, SSL or TLS, security type. After that, enter the From email address and sender name, and save and continue. Next, you'll configure the selling countries for your store. This setting allows you to choose the countries where your products will be available for purchase. Once you've finished selecting your selling countries, click Finish Setup button. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the store setup process. To begin managing your online store, click the Go to Dashboard button. You'll be redirected to your Wcart admin dashboard. Thank you for watching.